Rest is a crucial element of every individual's life, and one of the key aspects of rest is its influence on cognitive function. While we slumber, our brains are actively engaged in processing the day's information and reinforcing our memories. Furthermore, quality rest aids in the recovery of our physical health. During this time, tissues that sustained damage throughout the day are healed and revitalized. Studies indicate that insufficient rest can negatively impact our well-being and elevate the risk of various health issues, including heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and even cancer. The quality of our rest is often influenced by the position in which we fall asleep. Although our bodies may positions during the night, we typically spend the majority of our slumber in the position we initially chose. Most individuals tend to sleep on their sides, backs, or stomachs. While altering sleep habits can be challenging, it is certainly achievable. It's vital to recognize that an improper sleeping position can lead to discomfort and negatively affect overall wellness. Subscribe to the channel to stay updated on all things related to sleep. Sleeping on your back is a prevalent choice for numerous individuals, but what occurs if you opt to remain in this position throughout the night? Let us examine the advantages and disadvantages of back sleeping, as well as who might want to embrace or steer clear of this sleeping posture. The benefits of sleeping on your back primarily revolve around maintaining proper alignment. When you rest in this position, your spine and neck are properly aligned, helping to prevent unnecessary strain and pressure on your joints. Moreover, this posture allows your neck and spine to fully relax, which can enhance overall spinal health. However, there are some drawbacks to sleeping on your back. For starters, this position can be especially uncomfortable for those who experience sleep apnea or snoring, as it can compress the airways, leading to breathing interruptions and causing awakenings or restless sleep. Additionally, sleeping on your back may trigger or exacerbate acid reflux, resulting in heartburn and discomfort throughout the night. It's evident that resting on your back is not suitable for everyone. Individuals who suffer from respiratory issues, acid reflux, or heart conditions should steer clear of this sleeping posture. Additionally, it is discouraged for expectant mothers, since it may adversely affect blood circulation to the fetus and uterus. Conversely, lying on your back can be advantageous for those dealing with discomfort in their back or neck. Utilizing a soft pillow or a specialized orthopedic pillow can provide essential support for the head and neck. When it comes to sleeping on your stomach, this position is quite prevalent. Many individuals find it cozy, as it enables them to unwind thoroughly during slumber. However, few reflect on the potential health implications associated with this posture. Some benefits of sleeping on your stomach include enhanced breathing and decreased snoring. In this position, the throat and chest remain unobstructed, facilitating easier respiration. Furthermore, the bedding does not hinder you, as it rests freely beneath your body. Nevertheless, there are several drawbacks to this sleeping style. Negative aspects of this sleeping posture. To begin with, resting on your stomach can create uncomfortable pressure on your neck and back. This position exerts excessive strain on certain areas of the body, potentially leading to discomfort. Additionally, it may diminish sleep quality and result in discomfort upon waking. An awkward head alignment can lead to neck tension, which may trigger headaches and daytime tiredness. When determining the most suitable sleeping position, it is crucial to take into account individual physical traits. For some individuals, particularly those with neck or back issues, sleeping on the stomach is highly discouraged. In such instances, it is advisable to opt for more supportive positions that help alleviate pressure on specific areas of the body. Sleeping on your right side can have both beneficial and detrimental health implications. This position is often suggested for individuals experiencing gastrointestinal problems. The advantages of this posture include enhanced digestion and decreased acid reflux, which can be especially helpful for those affected with digestive system issues. Furthermore, this position can be beneficial for expectant mothers, as it alleviates pressure on the uterus and facilitates easier breathing. However, there are also drawbacks to resting on the right side. This position can place additional strain on the heart and hinder circulation, potentially restricting oxygen flow and leading to breathing challenges. Now, let's discuss sleeping on the left side. This is a practice that many individuals globally adopt, yet not everyone is aware of the health benefits it can offer. What occurs when we rest on our left side, and how is it advantageous for our bodies? One of the key benefits of left-side sleeping is the enhancement of heart function. When we lie on our left side, it positions the heart below the stomach, which encourages more efficient blood circulation. Additionally, this sleeping posture helps prevent the accumulation of oxygen in the blood and fosters improved oxygen distribution throughout the body. Sleeping on the left side can enhance our digestive system. In this position, the digestive organs are better aligned, which facilitates improved digestion and metabolism. It may also help prevent heartburn and acid reflux, as food transitions more smoothly from the stomach to the large intestine. Another advantage of left-side sleeping is its beneficial impact on the back and spine. When we rest on this side, our spine remains aligned, alleviating pressure on the back, and potentially reducing the likelihood of experiencing back pain or spinal issues. Furthermore, this position can enhance the respiratory system and lower the chances of snoring. When lying on the back, the tongue and soft palate can fall backward, leading to breathing obstructions. Sleeping on the left side helps maintain clear airways and prevents constriction. Having explored various sleep positions and their effects on health, let's now consider the advantages of quality sleep, including improved memory and performance. A study conducted in 2017 examined both the short-term and long-term health effects of sleep. Researchers investigating sleep disruption have discovered that sleep is associated with various brain functions, such as memory. Interruptions in sleep can adversely affect the processing and formation of memories. Insufficient sleep can diminish performance in work, educational settings, and other aspects of life. This encompasses attention, emotional responses, decision-making, risk-taking behaviors, and overall judgment. Furthermore, by influencing stress hormones, sleep disruptions can hinder cognitive abilities. A study conducted in 2015, published in the Journal of Child Psychology and Psychiatry, revealed that children's sleep habits have a direct impact on their behavior and academic success. Regarding weight gain, the relationship between obesity and brief sleep patterns is not entirely understood. However, multiple studies indicate a correlation between inadequate sleep and obesity. A study from 2018 suggests that individuals who consistently sleep fewer than 7 hours each night are more prone to have a higher body mass index and are at an increased risk of obesity compared to those who enjoy longer sleep durations. Researchers have determined that sleep deprivation is higher levels of the hunger hormone, salt retention, and inflammatory markers are linked to inadequate sleep. Researchers have observed that a reduction in sleep can lead to increased fatigue, which may diminish a person's motivation or capacity to exercise and uphold a healthy lifestyle. Improved calorie regulation appears to correlate with weight gain. There is evidence indicating that a restful night's sleep can aid in lowering calorie consumption. For instance, a clinical trial conducted in 2022 revealed that overweight individuals who extended their sleep duration consumed fewer calories than those in the control group. On average, these individuals increased their sleep by 1.2 hours and ingested roughly 270 fewer calories than their counterparts. The researchers proposed that enhancing and sustaining a healthy sleep schedule could contribute to weight loss and the prevention of obesity. In terms of athletic performance, while adults typically require between 7 and 9 hours of sleep each night, recent research suggests that athletes may need even more rest. Adequate sleep is essential for athletes and those engaged in physical activities. Engaging in physical activities is beneficial as the body undergoes healing during rest. Additional advantages include enhanced stamina, increased energy levels, improved precision and reaction times, quicker speeds, and better cognitive functioning. There is also a reduced risk of cardiovascular diseases. One contributing factor to heart disease is elevated blood pressure. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, obtaining sufficient sleep each night aids in regulating blood pressure. A restful night can also lower the likelihood of sleep-related issues, such as apnea, and foster overall heart health. Furthermore, sleep is associated with emotional and social awareness. Individuals who lack adequate sleep often struggle to recognize the emotions and expressions of others. For instance, a study conducted in 2022 explored the connection between sleep quality, duration, and emotional intelligence. In this research, 477 participants filled out surveys regarding their sleep patterns and emotional intelligence. Those who consistently experienced insufficient sleep were more likely to face challenges in this area. Individuals who experience higher quality sleep often view themselves as possessing superior emotional intelligence. This encompasses excelling in social interactions, nurturing relationships, maintaining a positive outlook, regulating impulses, and preventing depressive symptoms. The connection between sleep and mental well-being has been the subject of extensive investigation. A meta-analysis conducted in 2016 determined that insomnia is notably linked to an elevated risk of depression. This review indicated that a lack of sleep might result in cognitive alterations that heighten the likelihood of depression. Sleep disruptions can also hinder emotional regulation and stability while affecting neural functions, all of which may lead to depressive symptoms. Furthermore, adequate sleep is associated with lower levels of inflammation within the body. For instance, a study from 2019 identified a significant positive correlation between sleep inconsistency and increased inflammation, particularly among women. The research suggested that irregular sleep patterns, such as varying bedtimes and wake-up times, contribute to this issue. Different times of the night can interfere with the body's ability to regulate inflammation during rest. A robust immune system relies on quality sleep, which aids in the body's repair, regeneration, and recovery processes, including the immune system. Some studies indicate that deep sleep is essential for the body to heal and bolster its immune defenses. Nevertheless, researchers still need to perform additional studies to fully grasp the precise ways in which sleep influences the immune system. How much rest do adults require? Research indicates that adults should aim for 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night for optimal well-being. While some individuals assert they can function effectively on 4 or 5 hours of shut-eye, these so-called short sleepers comprise a very small fraction of the population. Most self-proclaimed short sleepers depend on coffee or other caffeinated beverages to maintain their alertness. Insufficient sleep can heighten the risk of various health problems. However, achieving adequate sleep is not solely about the number of hours spent asleep. It also involves the quality of that sleep. Enhancing the quality of your sleep and sticking to a consistent sleep routine can help you feel refreshed upon waking. If you're struggling to fall asleep, various factors might be at play. Stress or anxiety can keep your mind racing during the night, while discomfort or pain can hinder your ability to drift off. Certain health issues, such as acid reflux or asthma, may also disrupt your rest. Additionally, some medications can influence your sleep patterns. Caffeine, commonly found in beverages like coffee, tea, and soda, can keep you alert. Alcohol and other substances can negatively impact your sleep quality as well. Undiagnosed sleep disorders, such as sleep apnea or insomnia, can also prevent you from achieving restorative sleep. If you're experiencing difficulties with sleep, consider adjusting your routine to enhance your sleep quality. For instance, try to engage in physical activity in the morning rather than in the evening. Create a soothing sleep environment by ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. I established a nighttime routine by going to bed at the same hour each evening to help stabilize my sleep cycle. Here are a few suggestions for achieving a more restful night's sleep. Refrain from late-night snacks, particularly those high in sugar, caffeine, and alcohol, as these can interfere with your sleep patterns and make it more difficult to drift off. Switch off electronic devices, including televisions and computers, at least 2 hours prior to bedtime. The blue light emitted by these gadgets keeps your mind alert, so disconnecting from them a few hours before sleep allows your brain to relax and prepare for rest. Keep digital devices out of the bedroom. Store smartphones, tablets, laptops, and other gadgets in a different area of the home to minimize distractions. Ensure your sleeping environment is dark. Light stimulates the brain, so a dark room signals to your body that it is time to rest. Opt for an alarm clock rather than using your smartphone or tablet. This choice helps reduce the temptation to check your devices in bed and limits exposure to blue light. Maintain a cooler room temperature. Ideally, set your sleeping space to a temperature that promotes comfort and relaxation. To achieve the best sleep conditions, keep the temperature between the low and mid-60s. Establishing a regular bedtime routine and sleep schedule is essential. Going to sleep and waking up at the same time each day aids in regulating your body's internal clock. It's crucial to adhere to this routine, even on weekends. You'll find numerous intriguing videos discussing the benefits and drawbacks of fruits and vegetables, along with various diseases and their treatments. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. I would also be grateful if you could like this video and share it with your family and friends.